Yeah, hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to take a screenshot with a Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So there are three ways. Let me start with the first one. We need the power button and the volume down button. Press it for the same time and you have a screenshot. One more time, power button and the volume down button. Press it for the same time for 1 or 2 seconds and you will have a screenshot. Okay, there's the second way. You just scroll down, go to the shortcut, scroll down the second time, and then you have here the icon to take a screenshot, tap it, and you will have a screenshot. So, one more time, scroll down the second time, go on screenshot, and you have a screenshot. As you can see, you can edit it or share it, all the stuff like that. Okay, so and the other way is to use the nugget. Just nugget 2 times on the screen and you have a screenshot as well. Okay, these are the three ways I wanted to show you. You will find your screenshots at the gallery, and as you can see, I had already some twice today. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want, you can give me maybe a thumbs up or leave me a nice comment, or if you want to watch some more videos of the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, you can follow my channel. Thank you so much for, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.